Got this wooden lightning coaster as a gift, and it got kind of moldy over the years. Time to recoat it. So sand everything off. It was oiled with mineral oil, so it's gonna take a while to sand it. Oh, there we go. It's looking better. More sanding needed, but yeah. Pre-drill holes for the feet before I coat with anything. And Odie's oil it is. Real quick job of it. Put it on, leave it for a few hours. There it is right after the coating. Come back a couple hours later and wipe it off. Put the legs in. I want it off the ground. And there it is. Quick job of it, and it's looking brand new. Nice.